Hey folks, I wanted to do a quick update video for you. Many of you have seen my video that I released during the summer that showed how to get all of your old Pantone swatch books back in your Adobe programs. Well, Adobe recently upgraded all of their software to 2025, so it's time to do that again, where you're going to have to place those books in. Now, if this is the first time that you've done this, I would encourage you to watch the original video. I will leave a link to that in the description down below, and I'll put one of those little links up in the corner of this video so you can go directly to it. However, in that video, I have a link to download the original Pantone swatch books from a third-party website. Unfortunately, that website has been shut down, so that link is no longer valid. What I did was, for a few days, I put them on a Google Drive and just allowed people to download. Well, I got so many downloads from it that I went over my monthly limit. So the only other thing I could think of was to put them on my Patreon page. I'll leave a link down in the description to this as well. But this, if you go to Patreon, just search out Mike the Printman. You'll find in the shop area, here is the link right here to download a zip file, and the zip file contains all of the Pantone swatch books here. It's only $3. That's the lowest that I can set the price to. Whatever you do, don't download it on iOS. They charge you an extra fee, but it's only $3. If you use it all the time, it's definitely worth it. If you can find these somewhere else online to download, I highly encourage you to do so. And then watch that video, the original video that shows where to put all of these and how to go through the whole process step by step. So just wanted to give a quick update today for everybody out there. I appreciate all the views. We're approaching 2,000 subscribers. So if you can, please share, like. Those are the best ways that you can support the channel. Like I said, if you really need this, check out the Patreon page. I'll leave all the links down in the description below. Thanks for watching, folks, and I'll catch you on the next one.